The importance of picking the right kind of undergarments. There's a thing about undergarments, they are often ignored, gauche to ask about and seemingly insignificant to most. But, if you have ever questioned whether or not you are wearing the correct size of bra, what kinds of items are great for shaping and smoothing, whether it's likely to in fact conceal those redundant underwear lines or what bit undergarment ploys you are missing out on, here are some scoop for you. Level and control your shape. First, let's talk about the best controlling, shaping and smoothing products available in the market from leading underwear manufacturing company. From briefs to shorts to bodysuits, each item serves its point to control and flatten the body while staying hidden underneath clothing. Despite your body type, it will flatten your belly and even out your underpants lines, bra lines, any useless curve or cellulite to make sure that you head out feeling your most poised self. Out of so many products available from popular undergarment companies, you can find the open bust mid-thigh bodysuit, high-waist mid-thigh short, encore high-waist brief suiting your body type. Different kinds of bras. Even if your bra feels comfy and looks fine, there's a huge chance you are not wearing the correct bra size. If you walk into a store, the help team there will tell you all about your band and cup size to help you find the right type of bra fitting your needs. If you are in a market for a bra that provides support, they have got your back. After all, there's nothing more maddening than when the underwire of your bra starts to jab you instead of offering support. You can opt for wireless bra also, which are super comfortable in their way. They shape as well as lift, similar to the push-up bras you invest in. In addition to that, since many bras can result in both shoulder and back pain, you have got ample of options in the